How to make Samsung Smart TV to Android TV. While you can't directly turn a Samsung Smart TV into an Android TV, you can use an external device to bring Android TV functionality to your Samsung Smart TV. Here's how. Method number 1, using an Android TV box or streaming device. Step number 1, purchase an Android TV box or stick. Buy an Android TV device such as a Google Chromecast with Google TV, NVIDIA Shield, Xiaomi Mi Box, or Amazon Fire TV Stick, which runs a modified version of Android. Step number 2, connect the device to your Samsung Smart TV. Plug the Android TV device into an available HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Step number 3, select the HDMI input on your TV. On your Samsung remote, press the source or input button and select the HDMI input connected to the Android TV device. Step number 4, set up the Android TV device. Follow the on-screen setup instructions on the Android TV device, including connecting to Wi-Fi and signing in with your Google account. Now, you can access the Android TV interface, download apps from the Google Play Store, and enjoy Android features on your Samsung Smart TV through the Android TV device. Method number 2, using an Android TV HDMI stick. Step number 1, connect an HDMI stick like Chromecast with Google TV. Plug an Android-based HDMI stick into an available HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Step number 2, change the input. Use your Samsung remote to select the HDMI input for the stick. Step number 3, complete setup. Set up the HDMI stick, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Google accounts.